Hi dear students, now we shall discuss the second question. So already we solved this type of question. So here we have to find the unknowns x and y. For this question they have given the median as 28.5. Median they given. Find the value of x and y. The sum of fi they given it as what? 60. So means sum of all these terms is equal to what? 60. Now to apply the median formula, first I need cumulative frequency. So let us take the next column as cumulative frequency. So it means first as it is x plus 5, x plus 25, x plus 40, x plus y plus 40, next x plus y plus 45. Okay, now this is what cumulative frequency. Now you can take sum of this is equal to what? 60. It means x plus y plus x plus y plus sum of all these 5, 25, 40, 45. 45 is equal to what? 60. Now x plus y is equal to what? 15. Now I'll call this as equation number 1. Now we can write the median formula. Before that they given that median is 28.5. That 28.5 lies in this interval. It means the median class will be 20 to 30. Therefore median class is equals to what it is? 20 to 30. This is the median class. Now L is equals to what here? 20. Then I want what? Frequency. Okay. Frequency is nothing but what? It is the frequency of the median class. That is 20 here. 20. Then CF. Cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. This is the median class. So cumulative frequency is x plus 5. X plus 5. Then now H. H is the step length or step size. So each difference is 10. I will take H as 10. Now let us write the formula. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. Okay. Now here n is what here? 60. Sum of F it is. So I will write that also. N by 2 is equal to what? 60 divided by 2, that is 30. Okay. N value is 60. Sum of Fi it is. Now this is 28.5 is equal to L. Here L value is 20 plus N by 2. N by 2 is 30 minus CF. Now here CF is what here? X plus 5. Here minus sign is there. So put the bracket x plus 5. Otherwise you can write minus x minus 5 divided by F. F value is here what? 20 into H. H value is how much it is? 10. Okay. 0, 0. 28.5 minus 20. Remaining is what? 8.5 is equal to 30 minus x minus 5 divided by 2 it is. Now 2 goes to left side. It will become what? 17 is equal to 30 minus 5. That is 25 minus x. Now x is equal to what? X is equal to 25 minus 17. So this is what? 8. X value is how much it is? 8. Now I want the value of y. For that I have to substitute x equal to 8 in equation number 1. So next one is equation number 1 implies what it implies? X plus y. X value is 8 plus y is equal to what? 15. Now y is equal to 15 minus 8. How much it is? 7. So here I got the value of x as 8 and y as 7. Third question. A life insurance agent found the following data for the distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. calculate the median age. We have to calculate what? Median age. If policies are given only to persons having age 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. Okay. Means the first one they given below 20. It means 18 to 28 years. Because they said it. So who are having 18 years, they only can have policy. Now we have to find here what? Median age. Okay. So to find the median, so this must be, this is below is nothing but what? It is less than type table it is. We have to convert this into CFR. Now I will construct one more table that side by using the given data only. Okay. CI, first one, class interval CI. So below 20, it means I can take it as what? 18 to 20, or below 20 also you can write, no problem here. Because they said that the person having the age of 18 only can have policy. That's why 18 to 20. So how many policy holders are there? 2 are there. Policy holders. Policy holders. Number of policy holders it is. Number of policy holders. This is what it is, frequency it is. Number of policy holders. It is the frequency. 18 to 20, how many are there? 2. Next one. So the next one is what? 20 to 25. Okay, 20 to 25. So below 20 means 18 to 22 are there. But here I want 20 to 25. Here below 25 is nothing but these 2 persons also become under this. Okay. I want only 20 to 25 range. So that one, that's why 6 minus 2, that is 4. 20 to 25 is the age of 4 persons are there having the age 20 to 25. Then 25 to 30. 25 to 30. Again 24 minus 6. How much it is? 18 people are there. Next 30 to 35. 30 to 35. That is 45 minus 24. 21. Am I right? 21 it is. Then 35 to 40. 78 minus 45. 32. 33 it is, not 32, 33. Okay. Then 40 to 45. 40 to 45. So it means what? 89 minus 78. 11 members are there. 11. Then 45 to 50. 45 to 50. 92 minus 89. 3 members are there. 0, 3. Next. Then 50 to 55. 50 to 55. So 98 minus 92. That is 6. Then 60. What is that? Then 55 to 60. 55 to 60. How many are there? 55 to 60. 100 minus 98. That is 0, 2. Okay. Now we have to find the median age. For that I need one more column, that is CF, cumulative frequency I need. So if they given less than type table, this will become the cumulative frequency. Here directly I can write these values. Okay. Otherwise you can add this. Again same answer I will get. 2 plus 4, 6. Sorry, first 2 I will write as it is. Then 2 plus 4, 6. Then 18 plus 4, 22. Like this. So 18 plus 4, 22. I did mistake I think. 6, 2 as it is. 6 minus 2, 4. 24 minus 24 minus 6. 18 I written as it is. Okay, right. 24 minus 6, 18, right? Only 18 plus 4, 22. No. Okay, right. It is right only. First one you write 2 as it is. 4 plus 2, 6. 18 plus 6. 4 plus 2 it is 6 it is. Then 18 plus 6, 24. 24 plus 21, that is 45. 45 plus 33, 78. 78 plus 11, 89. 89 plus 03, 92. 92 plus 6, 98. 98 it is 100, that is 100. Okay, the same column I got there. CF. Now I have to find what? I have to find a median is. Now I'll rub this. I'll calculate the median now here. So first I have to find what? Median class. For that n by 2 I need. So n is nothing but what? Sum of fi. So they given it. I think it is 60 are there. Otherwise you can add 6 plus 2, 8, 9, 12, 15, 16, 24, 28, 30, 60 I think. 3, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 100 policy holders are there. Okay, this is what? 100. The last term I can take 100. Now this is what? 100 divided by 2, 50 I got. So just greater than n by 2 or equal to n by 2. So it is what here? You can see cumulative frequency column just greater than 50 or equal to 50 is 78. Am I right? Write it. So therefore the median class is equal to 35 to 40. Now we can write the terms. L is equal to what? 35. Then F is equal to 30, 33. Then CF, cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, that is 45. Then now H you can take here is 5. Here two differences is there. So here you can take 5, 10, whatever you like. So most of the values has a difference 5. Therefore I will take it as 5 only. Next, CF, F is over. Now you can write the formula. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. Median L. So that is 35 plus n by 2, 50 minus CF is 45 divided by F. F value is what here? 33 into 5. Now this is 35 plus this is what? 5 5s are 25 divided by 33. This is equal to 35 plus 25 by 33. It means 0 point. It will become 250. 250 divided by 33. 7 3s are 21. I can take 33 into 7. 21, 22. Am I right? 221 it is. 23s are 21. 21 plus 2, 231. Means 0.7. 250 minus 231, that is 19. So it will become 190. 190 divided by 33. I can take it as 6 3s are 18. No, it cannot become 60. It will become 5. 33 5s are 5 3s are 15 and 15 16 165. So this I can write as 0.75. Okay. So this is equal to 37.35 35.75. So this is the median age. In years it is 35.75 years I can write. So conclusion will write, therefore the median age is equal to 35.75 years. Okay, 35.75 years. It is a median age.